Flash Fibro, list of successful candidates for the post of data entry operator on contractual basis under Meghalaya Medical Drug and Services MMDSL as per the personal interview held on 24 and 25 April 2024. The kini selected candidate Bashida Lingdo Molong Magdalene Malngyang Priti Lalu Syamkupar Daril Renja Daril Stal Lingdo Aaron Jerodbon Nang Perkhatbah Rentah Tiang selected candidate dan kini support the waiting list candidate Balate Shisha Balar Shisha Asenta Robert Rudolf Riba Ban Sirius Wei Balajit Cecilia Iban Risuk Bla Rimesha Jordan Pensuklin Rihunlang Novelin Iban Dahunlang Amezel Grace Lindo Bat Cynthia and Sean Reginald Krishan Borlang Marbo. This list is valid for a period of 1 year from the date of issue. The selected candidates are required to report to the office of the undersigned Meghalaya Medical Drug MMDSL. Taken sa report kini basya selected ladak claim report kinyo no raki waiting list. Thank you tip flash bun.